Hello, and welcome. My name is Coach Michelle. Oh, couldn't get it out this morning. Creator of HDD AI Legacy Hub, and I wanted to come to you today because we just wrapped up our first three-part mini-series session last night, which is called our Creating Your AI Twin GPT, Branding Your Business with Ease. So I wanted to go ahead and give you a quick rundown on what the series basically was about. So, when it comes to creating any new tech, when it comes to even investing in new tech, we need to take a pause and literally ask ourselves, is this something that we truly need? Or is this just something for enjoyment? And when it came to the AI Twin GPT, I wanted to make sure that this is actually a tool that we're creating together that you needed that could work and help you amplify your business. So, in session one, we were able to sit down and identify bottlenecks that we had personally when it comes to progressing through our business, right? What are some of the holdups that ChatGPT can even identify or help us identify when it comes to our workflow and processes? Once we identify those issues in problem one, session two, now we're working towards a solution. So, how can we actually create a framework that assisted us in building a solution for the issues that we had? Session three is when we put it into work. So, all the information that we gathered from session one and session two, we actually assisted in developing a framework for our AI Twin GPT. Now, the frameworks we didn't get very extensive in, we gave it a foundation last night. However, we can continuously build on that product. So, before we go ahead and add any add-ons or any intricacies onto the product, I wanted to share with you guys exactly what is in the module for this class. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we can walk through it together. So the class sits on our school platform in the HDD AI Legacy Hub. And when it comes to the class, there are two ways that you can gain access to this module right here. So the Create Your AI Twin GPT is what we're talking about. The first is through actual community engagement. So when it comes to the community, you're talking in the forums, you're leaving feedback when it comes to some of the modules that are already open to you. You know, you have went ahead, you've marked them complete, etc. Now, in order to gain access to that, you can be on level three. Level three comes from your engagement within the community. Or you have the option to be one of our premium tier members, which is $47 a month. And I'm going to show you exactly why we're priced at that point. So when we go ahead and open up the Create Your AI Twin GPT module, this is a true class. In order to access the live class, we had the link, so we can go ahead and get rid of that because all the recordings are now in the module. We give a brief overview of exactly what the module is going to be about and what we're going to be discussing. Session one, the replay is in here, and we went ahead and started identifying those issues that we had with our business. And we followed it up with some homework to help us continue to build out what it is we're working towards. There's also a session two prep. So within session two prep, this is starting that solution based look, right? So in session one, we identified those issues and we also wanted to start seeing how we can resolve them. By the time session two came around, we were in full blown problem solving mode, right? So we went ahead, we dug in, and the homework for session two was literally for you guys to take the time and reflect. So instead of just going through autopilot and just putting everything within ChatGPT, I challenged you to take a moment and sit with the output that ChatGPT actually gave you. So you can identify any gaps or add anything onto it because ultimately this portion is going to evolve. So in session three, again, the replay is already up. And we also have a 1 and 2 recap. Okay. So all the information is here, as well as our master prompt sheet on how we went ahead and tackled this and utilized ChatGPT during this process. Now, I am super excited about this class. It was a really great session. Within the hub, we are going to be building on this a little bit more. So, in session 3, you'll hear T talk about, some of the things that you can add on. In regards to me, I will be evolving your framework. So we're going to be doing another level up. So we're going to start looking at workflows and structures and things of that nature. So this particular add-on is going to take place tonight during Teaching Tuesday, because we're going to take what we utilized in this AI Twin GPT class and really start building on it. We have to understand that everything takes a building block to get there, right? So it doesn't just happen overnight. As I stated, we started with the foundation. So now let's start leveling up what we've created so that it's a major asset to what it is we're doing overall. All right, so I wanted to come on, just make a really quick video for you guys so you can understand exactly what the series was about. And I look forward to you joining me in the next session. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later and have a beautiful, wonderful day on purpose. Bye, guys.